Decent DIY. Mine's Matilda.
My name's Ben.
Today we're unboxing this mini fan heater.
So we've been sent this, as Matilda said, this is this fan heater, mini fan heater. It's from the brand which is called Aesuo. Aesuo, I think I'm saying that right. And it's the XH1201 fan heater. So at the moment on Amazon, these are on Amazon, available on Amazon. At the moment they're £24, but there's some vouchers off at the moment to get these discounted. We'll put the link in the description under this video to Amazon. So in this video we're going to unbox it, get it set up and see what it's like. I think we've got a green one, but Matilda's going to unbox it now and we'll see what colour we've got. Go for it, Matilda.
I have no idea what colour we've got. I haven't even had a peek.
Not even had a peek this time?
No. I never do.
You always peek.
No, I don't. Some I do, but
Go on.
if they're for me, I do.
Okay, so instruction book inside. It's nicely packaged, bit of foam at the top. Are we tipping?
Yeah. It's fine.
Okay. So we'll get rid of the box. Just to cover things, a couple of things on the box. It's got the model number, the voltage, the rated frequency, and the weight. The size of it is 160 millimeters by 142 millimeters by 225 millimeters. So it's quite a small fan heater. So we'll have to see what kind of output this gives. So what we got, Matilda? Let's have a look.
I think it's a pink one.
A pink one? Where are you seeing pink there?
I thought you meant a different bit inside of it.
So it's got like so it's got a plastic protector on it for shipping, which is quite good. Oh, look at that! It's copper, isn't it? So it's kind of like an olive green colour. Good word, that olive green, and then it's got this nice copper on the inside there. So it's quite a cool looking fan heater. You could have that on your desk, couldn't you? Looks quite cool, that. And have it on your desk, blowing in your face.
I can actually feel it blowing.
So we've got the UK 3-pin plug, which is great. That's what we need for the UK because we live in the UK. Let's get rid of that foam. 3-pin UK plug. It's got quite a long cable. I'm going to say over 1 metre this actually. This can be the problem sometimes with products like this. The cable's too short. So you've got to have it into an extension cable or something like that. So let's have a look. Quite long. I reckon that's about 1 metre. So you could probably go down back of a desk or back of a table and you'll still be fine. It's really light, isn't it, Tilda? Feel light that is?
Ooh.
Yeah?
It's a tiny bit heavy.
Tiny bit heavy. You're not very strong though, are you? So I think it's 705 grams anyway, by the sounds of it. So it looks on the bottom, it's got like a safety button.
What's that?
So I'm not sure if it won't work without that being pressed down for a safety reason. So if it fell over, it'd cut out so you don't have a fire. So there's a little button under there, so when you put it on a table, you can hear it click. So we'll test that in a minute, see if that is the case. As I say, that came as a protection on it, which is great that it comes with that. And then the product instructions. So I've got the instructions here. It's a heating body with thermal efficiency and strong stability. It's a rapid thermal air supply system. Built-in induction thermostat and dump switch with beautiful appearance, stable performance, fast heating, even heat dissipation, long service life, good installation, high temperature resistance and other characteristics. Human safety performance is high. It's suitable for home, office and other places. That was a long sentence. So yeah, not much to it. Very simple device. It just says some safety instructions on there. That's it. So on the back, there is a switch. So you can have it on 0, which is off, obviously.
Yeah.
1, that one, or 2, that way. So 1 be not as hot, I think. Let's have a look. Right. So you got 0, which is off. You got 1, which is warm air, and then number 2 on the back, a little switch is for hot air. So last thing to do now is just to test it out. So we'll test it out, Matilda, shall we? So we'll put it into the off position. We'll put it there.
Where's the plug?
And there's a plug just down there. Can you put it in? You got it? In, yeah? I'll put the wire into that there. Keep things nice and safe. Okay, so at the moment we're on 0. Do you want to flick it to number 1, Tilda? Okay. Right, so instantly it's blowing and it's instantly warm. Yeah, it says don't cover it on top. So feel it till it's warm. Feel it?
Oh, it's warm.
It's really warm.
Like too warm.
Yeah, that instantly.
Yeah.
So be careful, don't touch it, will you? So I'll hold the top. You want to flick it to the number 2? It's on 2 now?
Yeah.
Let's see how much hotter that is.
Oh!
What's up?
It's hot.
It's hot. Don't lean on it.
I won't.
It's hot. So that is really hot, to be fair. So you can, in terms of it blow, it doesn't blow. Wow, it's really warm. It doesn't blow very powerful. I can feel it all the way over here. It's just not very powerful. You can see. If I hold that straight, it does blow a piece of paper, but it's not like blasting like a fan. But it's certainly blowing warm air.
Would it blow this?
It won't blow that, will it? No. So what we'll do, I'm going to lift it off the table and see if that safety button kicks in. Ready? Yeah. See what I mean? So the safety button underneath turns it off. Back on. There we go. So that safety button's great. So if it accidentally fell over, like forward, like that,
it won't make
it would. Because if you left it on, it might set your table on fire, might it? You put it back down.
and it starts
And
in.
it's back on. So it's not too noisy either. That's on number 2. It's not too noisy, is it, Matilda?
Yeah. And if you want to, do not cover the top,
Yeah.
but you can hold the sides, and the back is actually cold. So,
Yeah.
So you can actually touch the back while you flick it on.
Right. Okay. Yes. Because what it'll do is it'll drag cold air at the back, and puts it through that heater in there, then blows warm out that side. That's how it works. So really good, really easy to use. It's really, I'm surprised how warm that gets you, just for such a little heater. Like straight away warm as well. It's really good that. That on top is just a light. I thought that might be like a switch, but it's just a light on top
Do
of there.
not cover it.
It means don't cover this. Don't put anything over the top of it. Right, do you want to flick it to the 0 position? We'll turn it off. And we're off. Okay, all done and dusted now on that video on this product. Really good, really impressed with the product. Nice mini air heater, fan heater. Quite powerful for its size. It's quite good because you can have it in a small space. So you can have it on like in a little office maybe. If you didn't want to put your heating on, little heater. Some of the bigger heaters you can get quite big out there, like a mini radiator sometimes. So a nice little heater that you can just kind of just tuck into the corner is really, really good. I like the colour. Obviously it's a very specific colour, so it might not work in all areas, but it is a nice colour, I do like it. So for £24 with some money off currently, I think it's quite a good deal. Good value for money, but we'll see what it's like and see how long it lasts us. And like we said, we'll put the link in the description below this video for where to get it on Amazon. So anything from you, Matilda?
Please like and subscribe. Bye.